Hi, I'm Katie Hilburn and welcome to Silverado Alexandria. I'm so excited you've joined us and I'm grateful for your time and giving us the opportunity to share our community with you. We are Silverado's first purpose-built specialty memory care community on the entire East Coast. Since the company was founded over 23 years ago, it has been devoted to exclusively serving the memory impaired in assisted living. Having this clarity of purpose and focus, specializing in memory care, we have gained a deep understanding of cognitive impairment, and we are here to both support and partner with you in the care of your loved one. It is truly why we are here. So many families have shared with us the peace of mind they experienced when they finally chose Silverado, after having wrestled with unexpected feelings of guilt that comes from not being able to provide the same level of care at home. Families often express feeling guilty that their loved one was isolated far too long in an environment that lacked social engagement or quality clinical care. So come on in, let us show you around. We understand that we cannot change or control the conditions surrounding a memory impairing disease, but we can cater to them and help our residents live in the moment as purposeful a life as possible. Everything we do here at Silverado, from the design of the building, multidisciplinary staffing, training of the staff, programs provided, and so much more, are part of our model and philosophy of care, resulting in a quality of life that was thought impossible to achieve. It all comes together in a unique way to support and enable residents with brain diseases to enjoy life again and find a sense of normalcy and fulfillment in their life throughout their changing needs. Our residents are given multiple opportunities throughout the day to make choices and decisions for themselves, because they are people, not patients, and they deserve the dignity of being asked, not told. This is why, for example, we have options at mealtime. We want our residents to have a dining experience with other residents and their families. This is such an important part of life and an opportunity for connection. Being offered a choice provides a feeling of participation, freedom, and the simple dignity of being an adult. Our residents have the freedom to roam in the community and outside on our beautiful patio. Our residents are welcome throughout the entire community, including the administrator's office, because this is their home. We encourage our residents to live in the whole community and participate in their own life rather than isolate in a bedroom. Socialization with their peers is such an important part of our philosophy of care. This is why we have kitchens, living rooms, dining spaces, and courtyards, just like we have at home. We encourage residents to be out and engaging with other residents, staff, families, and pets. Finding others who are on the same path as they are provides a chance to be successful at holding a conversation and other interactions. Many residents find a peace and calm as they no longer need to struggle to keep up or to be understood by others. During this pandemic, loved ones' involvement, engagement, and interaction are vital to providing our residents with the best possible quality of life in the community. Visitation is a priority, and steps are being taken to provide it however possible, be it by a video chat or in an arranged in-person visit. Physical visits can be safe when there are strict infection control protocols, including the use of medical-grade KN95 masks, social distancing, increased ventilation, hand washing, and respiratory etiquette. We know an in-person visit is the first choice for many families and residents, and we are committed to accommodating in-person visits whenever permitted by the Department of Health and Licensing. We will let you know what the situation is when we see you. Prior to COVID, our visiting hours were 24/7, and we hope to be able to resume this soon. Unlimited complimentary meals for family members and guests, monthly parties, family participation in activities, and on-site support groups are just a few of the things our families get to enjoy here.
I think what we really liked about Silverado was when we first walked in, it was just beautiful and pristine and clean. We met the staff and they were friendly and patient and kind and just very professional. I could tell right away that they kept everybody very engaged and had just plans all day long to keep the residents here engaged and busy and happy. And I just knew that my loved one was going to have a really good life here.
Any condition or progressive illness has a treatment plan, and engagement is a fundamental part of ours. Residents are encouraged to choose what they would like to participate in. Live music, exercise, art, pet therapy, outings, and trivia are just a few of the vibrant engagements that happen here every day. However, it is not just about entertaining, it's about purposeful engagements. Even in a state of dependence, we understand the human need to feel valued. We offer an array of clubs and personalized activities where your loved one will certainly find something that meets their individual needs. In fact, Nexus at Silverado is our internationally recognized evidence-based brain health program. This non-drug approach offers 20 hours of specialized programming each week and has been shown to improve quality of life, cognition, and function for those in the earlier stages of living with dementia. Academic research has validated that participants in Nexus at Silverado showed a statistically significant 60% improvement in cognition when compared to those without such treatment. Our memory boxes provide an opportunity for the resident and their family to share their story with us. We long to acknowledge and celebrate the accomplishments and lives of all of our residents. We have all private rooms in our community. We believe that companionship is essential, so it is important to understand that our rooms here are bedrooms, not apartments. Our communities and programs are designed specifically to minimize self-isolation, which is life-limiting for those with memory loss. Families tell us the life-changing results we all see here at Silverado are possible because of the love, training, and expertise of our staff that truly understands the disease process. Our philosophy of care consists of layers of support which help our residents to find purpose in their daily lives and to stay safe, even during a pandemic. Silverado has innovated COVID-19 clinical protocols that exceed CDC guidelines, like the standardization to medical-grade KN95 masks proven to be the most effective in mitigating the spread of the virus in a community setting. The creation of the industry's first welcome neighborhood for residents returning from other settings gives us the opportunity to cohort staff in these designated areas, which reduces the risk of potential transmission of the virus. Silverado's clinical team is led by an RN with licensed nurses on site, 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, supported by a dedicated medical director and a master's prepared social worker. Additionally, every Silverado associate, regardless of position, having earned their dementia certification, all collectively act as your eyes and ears to notice subtle changes in condition that may occur. Thank you for allowing us to share our community with you. We want to reassure you that we understand that no one knows your loved one more than you do, and we are the experts in what we do. That's why we see this relationship as a true partnership in care, a collaborative effort where we make decisions together. Here are some questions to ask yourself. Has your role changed? Are you waiting for the right time? Would you delay treatment for any other life-limiting illness or chronic condition, even during a pandemic? These are real questions. We have had many families share with us that their role has changed, and they realized the day was not coming when they would feel the time is right to make this decision. Families have shared they recognize that a delay in placement is a delay in care in treating this illness, and we know that a delay can result in a dangerous crisis. Please do not wait for a crisis. We invite you to give us a call and schedule a time to come and visit Silverado Alexandria. We so look forward to meeting you soon.